This is the Yeezy 350 Boost Hyperspace, and it is surprisingly one of the most hyped sneakers today.
It is.
As in, the lines were crazy.
Yep.
People were lining up overnight just to be able to buy this sneaker.
I know.
Which is really surprising, right?
Yeah. I agree. We reviewed. We looked at this. We did an early unboxing, and we both agree that this, out of the three colorways,
It's not the best.
it's not the best. This is like the most safe colorway. This is like the most plain colorway, and we felt that people aren't going to be as excited about it.
Yeah, we actually felt that this would sit on shelves here in the Philippines.
I know.
But that's not the case. Guys, welcome to the vlog. My name is Carlo.
And I'm with Colin.
And I'm with Colin.
And you're with Colin.
And today we're going to talk about why is the Yeezy 350 Boost Hyperspace so hype, at least here in the Philippines. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure to If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so, because we will be announcing a flash giveaway in this vlog. What does that mean? We will be announcing the mechanics at the very end.
Okay.
So make sure that you guys stay until the very end of the video to watch it, so to see the mechanics, and then we will be announcing the winner within 48 hours.
Oh, wow.
So upon 48 hours upon posting of this video, so by Tuesday, we will draw the winner.
Okay.
And then we will announce the winner. This is how we'll do it. I will share with you a quick background explaining the hype behind the Hyperspace.
Okay.
And then Colin will share with you guys his thoughts, or at least his thesis,
Yeah.
as to why this is such a hype pair, at least here in the Philippines. We can't talk about other countries.
Yeah.
We can only talk about the Philippines,
That's
right? Okay, so let's get started. Guys, if you take a look at the price at stock over at StockX, this is selling for 460 to 470 US dollars. That's 25,000 pesos, man.
That's pretty much twice the price.
Twice the price. And we haven't seen twice the price.
In a very, very long time. This is actually the first time in quite a really long time since we saw prices spike this much for a Yeezy 350.
Yeah, because usually when you see, for example, the Statics,
Yeah.
or even the Sesames, they
Yeah.
would hover.
Or even the Inertia. The last Inertia.
I know the 700s,
Oh, the
I think,
700s.
are
Oh,
really
they're not.
different.
Okay.
So for the 350s,
Yeah.
it's been a while since we saw like
That's
a pair
true,
like
that's
this
true,
spike.
that's true. Yeah.
Unless, of course, you're talking about the reflective, but that's just different.
that's different, yeah.
So that's on the StockX side. If you take a look at Google Trends, this is actually the second most searched Yeezy 350 Boost in the set of three.
Okay.
So the most searched by a mile actually is the clay. So
Yeah.
I have a strong feeling that the demand for that will be through the roof.
Yes.
It will probably sell a bit higher. More probably the most expensive among the bunch.
Yeah.
If we will base it just on search trends.
That's true.
Right? So it can be indicative. The second one is this one.
Yeah.
And the last one, surprisingly,
True form.
True Form, which we thought would be like one of the most hyped among the
Yeah,
set. In fact, it's your favorite. Right?
It's my favorite. Yeah, exactly. And it reminds people of the Beluga, which
Yeah.
did really, really well.
Yeah, so it's like a Beluga 3.0.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was weird. So just basing on those two things, the massive search queries and then the price of StockX, plus the crazy long lines that happen here in the
Yeah.
Philippines,
Yeah.
then that pretty much lays the foundation, or at least supports the claim, at least here in the Philippines, guys, that this is ridiculously hyped. I mean, in other countries, probably not. I saw that it was just sitting in Taiwan.
Okay.
But here in the Philippines, something's going on. Something crazy is going on.
Well, something crazy is always going on as long as it's easy.
And it's in the Philippines.
In the Philippines, exactly. So,
Okay. So with that said, I'll pass you guys over to Colin, who will share at least his thoughts on why he believes that this was hyped, and then I'll share with you my thoughts after. So Colin?
yeah. Well, in my end, I mean, on my end, it's really just the idea of it being a regional exclusive for me. I feel that's one major factor why people suddenly just rushed in and try to grab as much hyperspace as they can.
And I think on that point, just to support that, I think it's more compelling.
Yeah.
Because hey, this is just for my country or my area.
Yeah.
I have to have it.
Yeah.
Because people from other parts of the world won't be
Yeah.
able to get it.
Yeah.
So that there's that compelling, like, I don't know, illusion, creating the demand that you have to buy it because it's exclusive to your region, to
Yeah.
your area, to the Philippines,
Yeah.
or to Asia.
Well, I don't know. I mean, you did mention something a while ago before we started recording about how because the colorway is a little bit too plain, it's a little bit too it's easy to rock. So people who missed out on a lot of these before might be looking at this particular colorway more than the other, two to get, because it is easy. It's easy to wear. It's, I guess, cleaner in a way. So yeah, there's also maybe that, on our end, us who have been, or at least have a couple of collections already, felt that this is a little bit too plain for us.
Actually, that's my thesis
Okay.
on
It's a
why
color.
I think this is hype. Because if you take a look at the set of three, this is the one that will generally appeal to most non-sneakerheads.
Right.
So people who are beginners in the Yeezy or sneakerhead game, or in the hype sneaker game, this is probably the one that will appeal to them the most, because this is the cleanest one. Especially since the pictures are a bit misleading.
Yes.
Because the pictures show that it's a cream with a brown stripe.
It's not. It's actually.
It's not. It's actually a bit mint green. So
Mint green. It's actually.
Yeah.
We actually did a video with.
Yeah,
Fred.
yeah.
I mean, me trying to dissect the colorway of this.
Yeah, so I think that's also one of the reasons why the demand is high. Because when people saw, for example, the three, they're probably thinking, hey, I want that because it's the easiest to wear.
Yeah.
It's a cream with a brown stripe.
Yeah.
So it's like the sesame or the Oxford tan got married with the creams, and this is like the child that came out.
The illegitimate.
The illegitimate child. So that I think is the reason why it's also so hyped, because it appeals to a bigger base of people than
Right? That makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense as well. So, well, I mean, I really tried getting my hands on this morning. Even going online was harder than usual. It was more difficult than my previous attempts. In fact, there was this one notification in the website that said, "Oh, we're trying to make sure that bots are out of the system," and people are at least in ATP. People were saying this is a new notification. Maybe it's something new that we saw. So I guess really there's that much hype or that much demand
for
just to try to get this.
the 350 boost
Yeah.
hyperspace.
Hyperspace, yeah, exactly.
Diba? So, so I guess ultimately we don't know the real reason.
Yeah.
So those are our theories. So guys, let us know what you think.
What do you guys think?
Down in the comment section. Why do you think the 350 boost hyperspace is so hyped?
Yeah. Oh, also, if you are one of the few that was able to get this, leave in the comment below your experience of getting one, and are you rocking it to keep, or are you flipping it up?
Or wear, flex, sell.
Yeah. Wear, flex, sell.
Yeah, and a lot of people actually do that, right?
Oh, really? Yeah.
They wear, they flex, and then they sell. Diba? So, and siguro a last theory, and again, this is probably the one that's a little bit hard to process. Kasi nga we talked about this, diba? Possibly people are buying because they want to trade to either the clays or the true forms.
Yeah.
Well, they really have no choice because it's the only Yeezy they can buy right now.
Exactly.
For retail, right? So I actually am doing that. So I have a contact in the US. He is going to get the clays for me.
Yeah.
So I was able to get this in his size.
Okay.
So we will trade.
Oh, that's good.
So I get to get the one that I really like, paying for retail without paying for ridiculous resale for the color that I want.
That's really good.
So hopefully more people are able to do that as well, right?
Yeah.
So with that said, guys, that's actually it for our discussion. Please make yourselves heard in the comment section down below. And a few more things before we end. Number one, we do have the early unboxing of the entire Adidas Game of Thrones Ultra Boost set. Those are the sneakers that you guys see at the back. I will put the link to that one in the comment section pinned, as well as in the description box. Watch that one. It's me and Colin unboxing every single sneaker from the Adidas Game of Thrones collection. And number two, we did do an early unboxing, of course, of the Yeezy 350 Boost Hyperspace. So link to that can be found down as well. Thanks to Soul Academy for being our partner to bring you guys the early unboxing for the Hyperspace. And lastly, talking about the inertia, I just took a look at the Google search trends for inertia. They're real dismal.
Yeah.
So I think that's the reason why the prices aren't climbing.
Yeah,
In fact,
I know.
they're starting to go down.
Exactly.
Probably will go below retails at one point.
I'm not entirely sure about going below retail, but if ever it's going to be like maybe
Very
$10
close.
to $20, that's it. Above retail. Because right now in StockX, you can buy it for maybe $318.
No, so
Not that bad.
slightly above retail
Slightly
price.
above retail, yeah.
So that's the future of the inertia.
Yes.
But it's nice that you can correlate the prices with the Google search.
Yeah, that's true.
I think it's a fantastic tool, sir. Google
Yeah.
search trends. You get an idea of what will sell, what will not sell, based on what people are searching for on
Yeah.
Google and on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, that's the stuff, and we now come to the exciting part.
Woo. Okay.
So our friends from Shunami PH, I will put the link down below to their Instagram account. They're a local reseller here in the
love the
Philippines.
name.
Shunami PH, Shunami. Sent us over 4 boxes of Yeezy 350 stocks. 350 socks. So buksan natin. Let's unbox it. So, Colin, do the honors.
All right. So you have here this is 4. They have 4.
So each box has 4 socks.
yeah, 4 cute 350 themed socks.
Yeah, you have the different colors along the side. I don't know if this official Yeezy.
I don't know, but it's cute.
But it looks really nice.
It works well. If you do have a Yeezy, it's gonna work well.
Yeah, and people, I do see this in malls selling for over 1,000 for the box.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so
Oh,
it does have good value. Now I can't speak for the
legitimacy of it.
yeah, because I don't know if there are Yeezy socks. If there are, then cool. If there are, that's awesome. So anyway, guys, what do you have to do to be able to win? Again, this is a flash giveaway, which means that the duration is just 48 hours from the uploading of this video.
Yeah.
What you guys have to do is, number 1, you have to go to the comment section down below and share with us your theory on why you think the hyperspace is hyped. Right?
yeah.
And then you have to put as well your Instagram handle, because I will be contacting the winners. And then make sure that you guys are subscribed. You will not qualify if you are not subscribed to the channel. And make sure that you follow me on Instagram as well to be able to qualify for the raffle. So that's what you guys have to do. We will be uploading this on a Sunday. So we will be drawing the winner by Tuesday evening. How many winners? We will be giving it away to 3 lucky winners. So we have 3, Shunami sent us 4 boxes. I will keep 1 box.
Okay.
Thank you, Shunami. So we will be giving away. I'll keep the one that you open.
Okay.
So we have 3 boxes here.
3 fresh boxes.
1 winner per.
Yeah, okay.
1 winner per.
Okay.
So guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram, and make sure that you answer the question. Why do you think the 350 Boost Hyperspace is so hyped?
It is.
And leave a comment down below so we're able to see if you guys are, possible to win.
Yes.
Is there anything else you want to say? Plug your channel.
Okay. Well, there's not much yet on the channel.
Not much, wala pa talaga.
Meron isang video.
Your welcome
My
video.
welcome video. But yeah, do check up Hype Geek. It's basically a new channel where I celebrate hype, and I geek about it. That's what I do. So my first episode, I'm still editing it. My first episode is about Bape. So I'm, wearing Bape right now.
It will come out daw on Monday.
Good God.
Wala kang choice. I declared it to the world that it will be out by Monday.
Oh, Lord.
Okay na yun. Sige. Okay, guys. So check out Colin's new YouTube channel.
Yeah.
That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.